Let's take a look at how to free up storage space on the iPhone. I recently had to do this because I ran out of storage on not the iPhone I'm showing you, but my personal iPhone. And I'll tell you what I did to free up space. First, to even see your storage, you go into settings, and then you're going to go down here to general, and then we're going to tap on iPhone storage. So that's going to show you your storage. Don't you wish you had this free space? If you're on this video, I'm sure this is full for you, but you're going to get a list of recommendations of things that you can do to help free up space. Some of those are offloading unused apps. Some of those are going to be deleting messages or large videos in your photos. You can come down here and check which apps are taking up the most space. If you have Spotify and you've offlined a bunch of songs, right, you download them so you can listen offline, that's going to increase the size of the app. And so if you've done that maybe accidentally, and like myself, I've downloaded thousands of songs in a playlist before, that might be something that you can actually offload from that app to save some space. You can also delete apps, so you can tap on your largest apps here and you can delete them to remove them from your device. You can scroll down a little bit. I believe in messages you'll even be able to sort by the largest file size inside of messages, so you can like delete the big videos that maybe you don't care about anymore that have been on old message threads. You can look at hidden apps, you can show all the apps, and you can also take a look at just the iOS and system data, but these guys, they're not going to move. You're not going to be able to free up any storage there. The other thing that you can do, it might be under your recommendations for you. I don't have messages on this app, but it'll say that you can turn on basically deleting old messages after a certain amount of time. I'm someone who likes to keep all my messages. I don't know about you. I don't really delete them, but you could go do that or turn that on. I don't like the idea of losing out on some kind of communication that I need to look back on, because you can search your messages. So what I did, the other thing you can do here to free up storage space. So I realized that I was actually paying for iCloud for our family up to like 2 TB, which covers our phone backups. So if you are paying for that, or if you're paying even just like the $3 a month plan, which might cover your phone personally, you can turn on iCloud for photos and videos and messages. It's a huge space saver for me. That's one of the ways I freed up storage space. If you go back to settings and tap on your name up here, you can get into iCloud and see how much of that storage space you have. You can upgrade to iCloud Plus. If you have a small phone, it's just $1 a month. If you have a larger phone, maybe that's under that 200 gig, limit, it's $3. We pay as a family. This one, 2 TB, that covers a couple phones all in that plan. So it does cost to do that, but once you turn on iCloud, so you come down here and see all, if iCloud Photos is turned on and you sync the phone, all of your photos and videos sync, and it doesn't take up space on your phone. The other thing is messages and iCloud, so turning that on can be huge. I think I had like 64 gigabyte in messages alone. So I turn that on and it just gets rid of that from my phone. It just stores it in the cloud. You're able to get the full like high resolution photos and stuff and videos if you want them, but it also just shows you previews, which are still pretty good quality anyway. If we go back here, the last thing that you can do is when you are upgrading your iOS. So if you're someone who's running out of space, you probably have found a lot that the actual software update can't even update because you don't have space. If you plug your phone in to your computer, you'll be able to do that software update, and it will download through your computer instead of on your phone, and it'll be able to update your phone without having to free up all that space. So that's a couple ideas there for freeing up storage space on your iPhone. Hopefully that helps.